Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and it is day 2 of the Spellbinders Advent Calendar. Ooh, let's see what on the second day of Christmas my true love gave to me. No, I can't sing, I know. But this thing makes me feel like singing on camera for you guys. Alrighty, let's see. Oh, this is so satisfying. I love this. A little crafty gift for yourself. Look how it pulls so nicely too. So the second day of Christmas. Oh, look. Oh, it's a stamp set. Love. Little stamp set. Oh, hold on. And I like how they hold everything down so it's just not floating like crazy, right? This one is a 2 3/4 inch stamp set. It's a floral. So some of the items in here are not like, you know, Christmas specific. As a matter of fact, the mailbox could be used all year round. This one, definitely all year round for spring or just thinking of you. Cute, cute. I'm gonna have some fun playing with this. Alrighty, let's get started. Okay, crafters, here is my day 2 example. Love. It is a note card, like a 4x4 note card. This is a Spellbinders die scalloped symphony note card. I've showed this a few times, and this one usually it goes on sales. She has like 10 pieces. There's a lot going on in this little die set, but she makes a really sweet note card. You could send this to a friend, put this on a coworker's desk, send it to the teacher, etc. You have either the circular choice or going with the square. In this instance, I did circles, and I stamped this floral stamp with burgundy purple, aubergine maybe. I think this is aubergine. And I also did the little leaves here, the little stems, and put the small little florals on it in pink. Did some gold metallic splatter and put some glitter drops on it. This is gold glitter drops. Ooh, love. And then I just layered it up. So I have the note card here in blue, and I love that the back is also done. So it's not just, you know, the detail in the front and then square in the back. It lines up when you fold along this score line. When you cut it, it just folds in half. If you keep it as a slim line, it's going to be a very big slim line, but it could work. But look at the stamp. Thinking of you, that's it right there, and I did heat emboss that. Alrighty, crafters, so that's it for day 2. I have day 1, got day 2. So until the next video, day 3, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.